Everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. Today we will be replacing a lamp assembly on a Bunn Ultra-2 machine. As you can see, the socket has broken inside and it's no longer making a connection. You can see the inner plug is broken off inside of the socket. So today we will be replacing the socket assembly and the LED lamp assembly also. Usually when these are broken like that, you will have to replace both sections of the lamp assembly. You can see the plug is broken inside of that socket there, so I will be pulling that socket out and then replacing it with a new socket assembly, and then after that we will replace the LED lamp assembly. So you just remove the nut that's holding the socket in place. That socket just pops right out of that hole right there. And you can see the socket is attached to a wire, another terminal that's going to the main board. So you want to disconnect that terminal. And you can see again the plug is broken off inside of that socket. So now I have my new socket assembly in place. I'm just going to tighten it up. You don't have to go too tight because you don't want to crack the plastic. So now that we have the socket in place and secure, we can go ahead and connect those terminals. The terminal is now connected. So now we can move on to removing the upper cover and replacing that the lamp assembly. Right here I'm just want to show you the lamp assembly plug. As you can see, it's no longer there. It's broken off in the socket, so it no longer makes a good connection. Now I have the lid off of the hopper. And you want to remove the top two screws, the top two Phillips head screws on top of the hopper lid. And I'm just showing you underneath the protective cover where you can see the LED lamp assembly inside. Now I will remove the two Phillips head screws on top. Once those screws are removed, you can gently pull apart the two sections of the lid assembly. Sometimes they may be a little sticky from the syrup, but just gently pull them apart, and then you have access to the LED lamp assembly. There's two screws on the end of the lamp assembly that you will want to remove. They're smaller Phillips head screws, so you'll want to use a smaller head Phillips head screwdriver. Sometimes those screws can be in place pretty tight, so you want to be firm but not too rough with it, because that assembly is all plastic, so you don't want to over tighten on that screw and break the plastic. Once those screws are removed, you can remove the old LED lamp assembly, and I will show you the packaging for the new LED lamp assembly so that you can see the part number. That's the package, and that's the part number. And this lamp assembly, that part number is for the lamp assembly and the power cord. And then you want to place your LED lamp assembly back in place. Fits right through the two holes, and then secure it with the two screws. The lamp is now secured. Now I'm going to place my lid back on top of the lower section. And you want to be sure you have that lid going in the right direction. As you can see there's a slot where the power cable can fit through. So you want that section, that portion of the lid towards the back. And then you'll fit your cord within that slot. to line up your holes, and then you can secure your lid to the lower portion of the cover. Now the cover is completely assembled, and you can see the new plug in place, and the LED lamp assembly is now reassembled. I put it back in on top of the hopper, and it is now in place. And that's all I have right now on that. That is the replacement of a Bunn Ultra-2 lamp assembly. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. Take care and see you.